Gripion here, and today you can't solve the Rubik's Cube, can you? Or can you? If you can't, this is the perfect video. So some people say just break it, like run. No, we don't do that. But that's what we're gonna do today. Except break it in a very good way. Break it. Break it. Break it. Okay. So for this, we are gonna need any kind of hammer. For this, I'm just gonna use a small hammer. This, it has to be pretty small, and it's flathead. See, flathead? And of course, you need the Rubik's Cube. Now, this works in any order, of course. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. So you grab this, and then do not take out the middle part. Do not. The middle part? No. The things around it? Cha-ching! Okay, so the way we're gonna do this, I already did this 100 million times. That's why it looks so jacked up. There's a hole there. That's what I accidentally did. Yeah, it makes it easier if you have holes, like, you can just do that. And you have to have a certain Rubik's Cube. And then, boom, that piece pops off. And now, let's try to find it. Okay, I have no clue where that went. It went somewhere over there. There, I don't know where. But that's one piece. And you have to have this certain kind of Rubik's Cube. Well, you can have a small one. I have a 2x2. This is a 3x3. And the 2x2, you do the same. Except it's smaller, so easier. And then you do the same for this. Okay, this time I'll aim it at me. I'll aim it at you guys. Where's the hammer? Okay. It's kind of hard to get in those like holes. Boom. Where did it go? Oh, I found it. I found the blue one. And then boom, it pops off. And then you just gotta do it for all these cubes. And for the ones who don't have holes, you just, like that, you just put the little screw in, or the flathead in, grab your hammer, grab your hammer, and then just okay, now there is a chance, and then you can just, boom, popped off. Right here. Boom. And there is a chance that one can actually go out, and there is a chance that it can break. Like this, the white one popped out, so if it does that, you're in good luck. Just do that, and boom. So we have 3 pieces so far. Let's do the rest. So remember, guys, do not take out the middle. Come on. And if one does break, you can, like, there we go. Like, great. Plan backfired. Okay, if it does break and it sticks out like that, just grab your hammer and then go. Then just hammer it back into place. Perfect. Now this one had a big gap. Boom. see that row done? You don't see it done. See that row unfinished? It's finished. Okay, so for those of you who like want to switch the middle parts, you can do it. Just do the same, except be more cautious because, I mean, it is the middle part, so yeah. Just do the same. Oh, okay. Boom, it popped out. And it'll look like that. Boom. Unfinished. Okay, now to put it back. The phone is slightly going down. Okay. My phone is charging over there. And I do have Roblox playing, except I'm waiting for some more money because I'm playing Raccoon. I'm not playing a video. Or doing a video. I'm not planning to do a video. Okay. So you put the piece in, and then if you want it very tightly, just boom. And then if you want it very, very, very tightly, just no, don't do that. Just good. Boom, perfect. Now, if you don't really care about doing that, just use a boring way. Yeah. Okay. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do that. But if you want it very securely, do no, just do. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now we fortunately got some pieces out here and 3 over here, 2 over here. Yeah, and these are red, so I'm just gonna put the red in. There's 1 red left. One poor little lonely soul red. Okay, now blue. Boom. Okay, now let's just start on the orange. And you do the same. If you guys forgot, just rewind to the beginning. Oh, come on. Oh, my mom's calling me. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I guess let's just continue. Okay, now you shouldn't really do the ones that's already on, like the orange. Don't do those. That's a waste of time. I mean, if you want to waste time, sure, go ahead. Just don't. But yeah, you really shouldn't, because it just wastes time. Okay, let's keep doing it. That was like a grasshopper. Once I did this, it hopped all the way over there, like where you can't even see. Guys, I'm using this, by the way. Oh, the one that's right here. And the little one is somewhere. Wait. Am I using the... I'm using the bigger one. I'm gonna make a bigger hole. This one. Smaller, better. And it doesn't make much hole. But you also have to hammer it in. That white is gone. Let's just do. There's those little guys. Remember, if it just pops out like that, just hammer it back in. Sorry if you guys can see. Just if you can't hammer it in. I'm messing up my words. Well, I mean, guys, if you just do it like once or twice, it'll be good. But if you do it like 10 million times, the Rubik's Cube won't really be good. It won't be sturdy. Okay, just gotta make sure that one's in. I did not mean to do it that hard. In the process, you will break some, but we don't need it. Okay, let's get back to it. Yes. We need one more orange to solve this side. Let's grab that orange. Luckily, the orange is just right here. Here. Boom. Orange side complete. Just to show you it's fully functional. Yeah. Okay. So orange side is complete. Let's do the yellow side. Do you have any yellows? Nope. Let's grab these two yellows right there. Sometimes you will stab yourself. It's like the 20 millionth time. But so tough. There's a yellow here. So let's just do this yellow. Ooh. There. There's a red. Put this guy back. Okay, let's find the yellow right here. This one's gonna be easy. Boom. Okay. the yellow that? Was it the yellow that flew over there? Let me check. I can't not find it. So, where is it? Yeah, I cannot find it. Well, maybe I'll find it in the future. Never know. Here's a creepy crawly. Okay. So, which color are we gonna do? Blue. Let's do blue. For you guys, who's never done it, it will take you a while because it doesn't have the gaps, so it's not that easy. Okay, let's find the blue right here. Blue side complete. Boom. Let's do the green side. Boom. Okay, the green side is technically almost complete because just this. Oh. Pop. Okay. Now let's do the red. Let's do it over here. Pop. Ow. Okay, guys, you can just do all this and then hammer them in. But probably not even going to do that. There's a little square. You guys can also take all this off and do different shapes and yeah. And you can, if you don't really know how to do it, you can impress your friends. Like, pretend you did it. And then they'll love you forever and ever just because you cheated. Yeah. And then you'll tell them, and then you'll never be friends with them again. The end. Ah, come. Pop. video, I think. My third video. My first one today, I got trapped in my own room. Go check that one out. And my my second video, we were playing, I think. Did I do it? Or this is my second video? I don't know. I have to research. Not research. Look it up. There's the last green. Let's start doing red. Okay. Red is almost done. Almost already done. All we literally have is red and white. And yellow. Yeah, if you include. Yeah. I wish I didn't lose that piece. If it doesn't go in, you'll just have to do. Right, and of course the phone fell. Yeah, I thought I stopped recording, but it didn't. That piece is just not going in. Why won't it go in? Let's check out what's wrong with it. It's okay, I think. Oh, that piece. My God, guys, that will not go down. Ah, my arm hurts. Okay, well, that's the red side solved, technically. So this is what you'll do if you want to impress your friends. So you will go up to them, show them a scramble cube, go in your house, secretly go in your house, secretly do all this, come out and show your friend. Perfect lie. Okay, I think that's all. That's all of them, except the white, or the yellow, of course. So, boom. Let's see if we can go find the white. Okay, so I can't find it, but we did almost solve it. Technically. Well, we'll just know that that missing piece is a yellow. Simple enough? Simple enough. Okay, so that is how you solve the Rubik's Cube. What do you call it? Parkour! Okay. So that is the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!